When you think of dangerous seas, your mind probably drifts to places like the infamous Bermuda Triangle or Drake Passage in South America. But there's one sea that often flies under the radar, until it doesn't. Welcome to the North Sea, where danger is just another day at the office. So, why is the North Sea considered so dangerous, and what mysteries is it hiding which makes it so unique compared to the other seas? Let's try to answer these questions. The North Sea is basically Europe's backyard pool, but a really big one. It's nestled between Great Britain, Norway, Denmark, Germany, Netherlands, Belgium, and France. Home to Northern Europe's busiest trade routes, historic battlefields, and a source of economic success. This marginal sea is full of geographical anomalies, shipwrecks buried deep under its seafloor, and a complex history, which has shaped the European nations for thousands of years. It's a bustling hub for trade, fishing, and even energy production. But don't let its busy nature fool you. The North Sea has a wild side too. Number 1. Unpredictable and violent weather. First up, let's talk about the weather. The North Sea has a personality disorder. One minute it's calm, the next moment it's throwing a temper tantrum. The North Sea's dangerous storms are largely due to the clash between cold Arctic air and warmer air from lower latitudes. This collision creates intense low-pressure systems, leading to powerful storms and winds that can reach up to 160 kilometers per hour, especially during winter. These fierce winds churn the sea into a chaotic, wave-filled washing machine, making the waters particularly hazardous for navigation. Also, North Sea tides are unusually large, which can be super dangerous when combined with stormy weather. This combo creates massive waves that can flood coastal areas. It's happened for centuries. There was even a big flood in England in 2013 that killed people and destroyed thousands of homes. Number 2. Shallow water. Now you'd think a shallower sea would be safer, right? Less chance of sinking to the bottom? Not so fast. The North Sea's shallow waters, with a depth of only around 30 meters in its southern reaches, make it incredibly dangerous, especially for ships. When waves hit these shallows, they stand up tall and close together, creating what's known as choppy seas. In other words, shallow waters allow the wind to exert more influence on the sea's surface, leading to the development of larger and more forceful waves over relatively short distances, often pulling in different directions. Number 3. Human activities. The North Sea is home to some of the busiest shipping lanes in the world and a ton of oil rigs. This combination is like throwing a bunch of sharp knives into that washing machine we mentioned earlier. The high level of human activity in this region amplifies the risks. The risk of collision is high, and when things go wrong here, they go really wrong. Accidents and incidents are more likely to occur during adverse weather conditions, adding an extra layer of danger to this already formidable body of water. Due to these factors, there have been multiple shipwrecks during the last couple of hundred years in the North Sea. Officially, 240 wrecks have been located in the Belgian part of the North Sea by the Coast Division of the agency Maritime Services and Coast. However, there are a lot more wrecks situated in the North Sea, at a rough estimate, some thousands, many of them silent witnesses to the two world wars. In conclusion, the North Sea's reputation for danger stems from a combination of geographical, meteorological, and oceanographic factors. Sailing these waters is safer than it was only a few decades ago, thanks largely to improved weather forecasts and maritime technologies, but there are still things about the North Sea that force mariners to treat it with respect. And that is the end of our journey through the North Sea. While we tried our best to collate the information from reliable resources, if you have any feedback, please share in the comments section. Let's talk and share the accurate facts. Also, check out our video about Drake Passage to get more understanding of why ships don't go through this deadly place. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting fact-based content.